Hey, what is going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are having a great day today. And jumping right into today's video, I finally installed coilovers on my car. It looks so much nicer, guys. It's sitting about like 3 inches or 4 inches off the ground from the front, and I'm not too sure about the rear, but it's kind of high in the back, but it still looks really good. Aside from that though, guys, I did make a little nice cinematic video yesterday of my car, what it looks like now with the coilovers on. So I'm gonna play that for you guys right now. I did have my ESRs on that video, and I still have them on right now, but I'm having some issues with that, which I'm gonna get into in a little bit. But yeah, guys, here's that video. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed that little video. I think it came out pretty nice. But anyways, jumping right into everything, I am having some issues with these wheels because I can't get them to fit properly. I know what to do to prevent all the rubbing and stuff, but it's just been like a pain to get this thing dialed in. But anyways, yeah, the wheels are 18 by 9.5 in the front, in the rear as well. So I am having some rubbing issues. I did get my fenders rolled, and that gave it a decent clearance, so I'm not rubbing against the fender anymore. But on the E90, the bracket of the bumper where like the fender meets is like right near the tire, obviously, and it's like literally like right in the way, and it's hitting on that. It's not that bad. Before it was really bad because I was running a 255 in the front. I don't even know why I was running a 255 on a 9.5 inch rim, because a 9.5 inch rim, guys, measures 241 millimeters, and I was running a 255, so I had a lot of excess tire. So I went ahead and I bought some new tires. I got some 225 35 18s, and I mounted those on the front. The stretch is really nice and it looks really good, but I'm still having some rubbing issues. Nothing like before, like I can still kind of drive the car, but when I'm making a turn or I'm coming to a complete stop, it starts rubbing a lot against that bumper bracket. And the only way that I can address that and get that fixed is by either cutting the bracket a little bit and relocating my screws, which I kind of don't want to do because I don't want to cut my fenders, obviously. Like, it's kind of like ruining the car in a way. But if that's what I have to do, like, I guess I'm gonna have to do it. But another option that I have is adding camber plates, because I don't have camber plates right now. Adding camber plates is gonna give it a really good clearance, and I'm pretty sure that it won't rub at all. But at this point, I'm not sure if I want to add camber plates. I'm not sure if I want to keep these wheels. Currently, I have these wheels up for sale, so if anybody wants to buy them, I have them listed up on OfferUp. If you guys want to buy them, if you guys are interested, you guys are located in the SoCal area, I am selling them. It has 2 new tires in the front. The tires in the back are pretty good as well. But the reason I do want to sell them is because I think 19s look better on my car. Now that I had like the style 95s compared to these, I think 19s suit my car a little bit better, especially with the car being lowered, because I was running my style 95s for a little bit because I was rubbing a lot when I had my 255 35 18s in the front, and I wasn't able to drive the car because any small imperfection on the road, I would like rub a lot. So when I was rolling with my 255 35 18s in the front, like 3 days later after I installed my coilovers and had my fenders rolled and all that good stuff, like I said, my car was hitting against that bumper bracket, and it was putting a lot of pressure on my headlights. So I did end up cracking one of them, which was a complete bummer, because if you guys have been following my channel, these are like pretty much brand new, mint condition Euro Xenon headlights, and I was really bummed out about it. It was raining like the 3rd or 4th day after I installed my coilovers, and condensation got into one of my headlights, and gladly I caught it before it became anything bigger than what it already is. And I say that because I washed my car like a couple days after, and no condensation got in my headlight whatsoever. So it might just be like a very small hairline crack. Other than that, like, I would have damaged these headlights really bad. So that is that, guys. Those are all my Fitment issues that I've been having with this car. It's not anything serious right now. I can still drive the car, but when I'm turning, coming to a complete stop, it starts rubbing a lot. I think I'm best off just letting these go and getting some wheels that actually fit my car. That way I don't have to add camber plates and get all that wear on my tire and stuff like that. But yeah, guys, there's so much more coming to this car. This is why I didn't bag it, because I was literally on the verge of either bagging it or buying so many other things for my car. And I just decided to go with Coilovers temporarily until like later on this year around November, where they do the 25% off Black Friday deal, and just get my airlift kit then. But as of now, I want to get my car in a decent show condition. You guys already know all the car shows are coming up, so I want to get it looking as best as possible. So I'm going to be getting a new front bumper and new rear bumper, and I'm going to be wrapping the car as well. So stay tuned for that, guys. I already got all my dents removed last weekend. I had a couple dents. I had one on my hood, one on my quarter panel that was actually really big, and then I also had one on my gas tank, which I also got removed. So the car is pretty much prepped up for wrap, and that's going to be coming very soon as I get my new front bumper and all that good stuff. So there's going to be a lot of stuff coming to the channel, guys. I know I've been gone for a while, and that's because I've been working like crazy the past 2 months. The holidays came around the corner, and if you guys don't know already, I work at FedEx, and it got really busy. So I took advantage of all the hours that I was able to get to make as much money as possible to like try to pay off this car. You know, obviously get some more car parts for it so I can make more videos for you guys and stuff like that. So that's pretty much where I've been the past 2 months. The work is already dying down, so I have a lot more time to make YouTube videos and all that good stuff. So there's gonna be a lot more coming to the channel, guys. 2018 is gonna be the year that my car looks really good. And yeah, that's gonna wrap it up for today's video. I know it's kind of short. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys like the new look of the car, make sure you guys slap that thumbs up for me. It really helps me out. And if you guys are new, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and with that being said, I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you.